Come on, there you go. All right. Wow. Oh shit. What was that? Bad? Here is my Mitsubishi 3000GT VR4, and after 6 months, it is finally fixed. We found the issue, which was the O2 sensor wire was touching the downpipe, and that is an install error on my end. I'll take accountability for that because I should have zip tied the wire out of the way to avoid that issue moving forward. So we make mistakes, we learn from them, and you know, it cost us 6 months, and you know, at least now we're back. So right now we're gonna head out to my buddy Ian's house because we still have the whole interior taken apart. So we're gonna finish up everything, and we might be having a track day later this week where a bunch of 3S guys are actually gonna head out and, you know, get some seat time. I'm currently talking to a manufacturer for a really nice hood that I want for this car and a couple other carbon pieces. We're trying to see if we're able to work that out, so there might be some changes on the car before we paint it. When will that happen? I can't tell you guys. I'm just kind of playing it by ear, and when I have the opportunity to modify and upgrade my cars, I want to document the journey, because honestly guys, like when it comes to at least building cars, you could kind of relate this to anything. It's the process of becoming the thing, the person, the car, just based off a vision or a, you know, a goal or achievement that you want to do. So let's start on the 3000 GT. Ian wants to focus on welding the e-brake on there. You were telling me it's a pretty common issue with these cars to have the type of...
You are the third person.
Yeah, third person, he's telling me. So ever since I got the car, it was already really flimsy as it was, and at one point it just gave out. For those of you guys that have never seen his car, this is his 3000 GT VR4. He has like some custom made cutouts. These type of nostril look was very popular amongst the DSM owners as well, because for Eclipses, our bumpers are basically closed off. So once you put the intercooler up front, it's really hard for the radiator behind to get any sort of airflow. So I see why he did this. He has some ducting right here, and then he also has some ducting for the brakes. The underside of his build here. So it's currently taken apart. He's going to be replacing a couple parts like the clutch and some internal on the transmission, but super clean setup. I think he's on the Arashi 15T turbos, and it makes some jams. Alrighty guys, so pretty much got the center console out of the way, and here you can see the opening for the e-brake. So Ian's about to make me weld for the first time in my life.
Yeah, it's actually a requirement on the 3000 GT, you know how to weld.
Is that what the rear diff looks like?
Rear and
Front,
TS.
yeah. Nice. Got all the internals for the transmission taken apart. So you build 3000 GT transmissions now?
Yeah, I guess so.
You guess so? Hit him up. I'll put his Instagram right here in the corner. This is like what, like your 5th time already? I think you got it.
This is like the 10th time.
You've got it down at this point.
Big open valve right here. Cranks on. Tank pressure. Pressure going to the welder.
Okay.
When you're welding, you do not want to touch the metal. Don't touch the metal. If you touch the metal, it's not the end of the world, but if you touch it enough, this is called tungsten, dipping the tungsten. If you touch it so much, this will get gummed up really badly. This is already kind of gummed up. We're going to clean it up, but if this gets gummed up too bad with this metal, you take it out and we clean it.
Okay.
This is your metal, your filler rod metal.
Yeah.
The goal is, you're going to start by activating this. I'm not going to hit it, but activating this, it arcs, and you're just holding down the pedal. Okay. 0 to 100% is on this pedal. Yeah. The more pedal you give, the hotter the tip gets, more amperage, faster it's going to melt. Okay. If you're waiting for the contact spot to form a shiny puddle. So this is not shiny puddle, right?
Yeah.
When you're going for it, you'll see, oh, that looks pretty shiny to me, almost like it's a liquid puddle.
Okay.
The minute that happens, then you can start dipping your filler metal and go dip.
The man, the myth, the legend, the stealth god. We got Matt in the house. What up, man?
Alright, let's see the progress on this thing.
What do you think? Actually, not bad.
Not bad.
Not bad.
No burn throughs.
Well, I burned it earlier. Alright, so these are my final welds before we go weld the e-brake. So. Oh shit! I'm burning through.
Okay, then you're going a little bit too heavy on the amperage. Then you gotta slow it down with the amperage.
Get some 4K 60 Hz footage of this going.
There you go. You got some metal on there.
Ow! I burned myself.
Is
it not sticky?
I mean, it's on.
It's on there, but
it's just
like,
not on
it's
strong.
like, yeah.
And afterward, you guys are gonna weld the stud on.
I give props to all my welders out here. Here are my first attempt trying to weld some stuff. Ian's gonna take over because I just do not want to burn through the chassis, and I want to make sure that the e-brake doesn't actually come off once we start pulling on it. All right, guys. So Ian got the welds done.
Definitely $50 an hour welds, 100%. Hire me right now. All right, grind them so you look like $100 an hour welds, please.
Is this supposed to snap?
No, it's just you're compressing it. That's it. There's no snap.
Okay.
Voila, you got threads now. And it's the same OEM size, so the OEM bolts work fine.
Nice. All right, guys. So the bolts are on the e-brake. We'll tighten it down, and it should be done.
Yeah.
Ooh, very nice.
Okay, let's do a little more. You shouldn't be able to go that high.
Well, yeah, it's supposed to be 3 to 4 clicks should be full engagement.
Yeah.
And that is how you restore an e-brake on a 3000 GT.
There you go.
Ready?
Yeah. Ah.
No, dude, it's too scary. Look at that. Hell yeah.
What was that? 5 hours to be able to rip a handbrake?
Literally. But it improves the functionality of the car, so we'll take it. You guys are gonna start getting the dash put back together. Whole bunch of plugs, whole bunch of connectors, a whole bunch of screws. We're pulling the dash harness back out. We're gonna put that in the back of the dash.
And then put the dash on, tidy everything up, and done in 2 seconds.
Hopefully. Guys, the harness is fed throughout the inside of the dash. Right now we're going to focus on the little details like the vents and the AC plumbing as well. You guys, it looks like the dash is put back together.
Maybe.
Maybe. Before the dash goes in, steering column does have to go down.
Last time Matt put his dash in his car,
Yeah.
he was here putting it in at, I want to say 3 a.m. in the morning, 4 a.m. in the morning.
God damn.
And he was so frustrated because it wasn't going on right. That, because again, most of his car's gutted and the dash was already cracked. It wasn't like he was caring that much about the dash, but he was getting so frustrated that he was full force with both of his legs, just kicking the dash, trying to get it slotted in.
Well, let's not try to do that here. This thing's pretty much intact, so.
What, you don't want to full force kicking it?
No, I want to put it on there like if it was brand new.
One second, stop.
The dash is fully in, and the way you check is by the tweeter holes. I know you guys can't see there, but there's a hole, and you have to make sure that it lines up.
Bolt hole.
Bolt hole, and it's lining up on both
And
sides.
if it's not, that means you didn't slide the dash on to the mounting posts, in which case, if you keep on forcing it, you're going to break something.
Yeah.
So you just kind of gotta pull it off, wiggle it on until it seats on, and once the seat on, then you can put the bolts in. But if you put the bolts in when there's a gap, that means you're gonna break something when you screw them on. Yeah, the IC10.
Yeah, that thing looks nice.
1700, no biggie. Dude, I'm like,
you want one too?
I'm literally having to pinch myself to like not fucking.
Here's an update, guys. Just need the center console, the back piece, radio, passenger airbag, glove box, seats, and we are good to go. We're out here till 1 in the morning getting the interior together. Shout out to Ian for the help. And yeah, I'm gonna call it a night, guys. Alright, so currently a couple days later, we are on our way to Adam's Motorsports track. We did finish the dash and interior back at Ian's house, and the car is perfectly back to normal. And we also have a working e-brake now, which is awesome. Fuck with the car, dude. This nice. Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
$5 gate entry fee, boss.
Gotcha. There's a couple. Has there other 3000s come out or no?
No, not that I've seen.
Okay, there should be more coming in.
Okay,
right now.
okay.
Cool. Thank you, man. You too. That's what's cool about this car. It's always getting love on the streets. Alright, so Adam's Motorsports track. Super small track, but we've been here once before. We tracked the Mitsubishi Eclipse. Looks like a full house today. Sick. You guys know I love my silver 2Gs. You actually got it going? You racing tonight?
Yep.
Okay, let's go. Huh? Yeah, they already called us to the pits.
Oh shit.
Yeah. First time, second time?
Second time.
Second time, how you feeling?
Is I.
Is I?
Is I.
Yeah. Well, they're already having the driver's meeting.
Yeah.
Fashionably late. You know what's great about not tracking your car is like you don't have to stress out about all this stuff. This is really nice. What's going on right now? We're just waiting?
It's a parade lap right now, but he needs to get inspected, so we're going to inspect his car right now.
Okay.
Right there. If you want to yank on it.
That's crazy. It hasn't been raining all year and then it starts raining.
Racing in the rain is diabolical.
So, for all the 3S guys watching, what are your expectations for tonight with your car?
No crashing.
No crashing.
No crashing.
That's a solid one.
Might tap the barrier over there, but no crashing.
Sliding sideways.
Oh no, Ian!
Yeah.
What happened?
Dude, there's nothing. I was going so slow on that corner.
Yeah, I know. No
I just
grip.
lost it immediately.
There's no grip.
What tires are you on?
200 treadwear, fucking, what is this, RE7RS's?
Okay.
Not really meant for the rain, I don't think. Could have been a better tire choice.
So what are the fans cooling exactly out here?
There's nothing there for fan, it's this.
What is it doing exactly?
The radiator. Cooling my engine.
It's cooling your engine?
That's the engine. When I run along the entire free wheel of the car to
That is crazy.
Obviously not needed for right now, but it's there.
fine.
It's fine?
Yeah. Take a look.
Ouch.
No, that was from before.
Was it?
Yeah.
All right, how bad was it?
It was fine, actually.
I didn't hear. I saw it. What'd you clip? I mean, I saw you clip the dirt, but like did you actually like hit the bumper on it?
No, I just hit the tire pretty hard.
Okay.
It hit the tire and the car went like. Boop. This thing pulls.
No spinning out. No fucking spinning out. No fucking spinning out.
This is fast.
No spinning out. No spinning out. Come on. Let's grip.
Hell yeah.
Come on.
Yeah.
Come on.
There you go.
All right.
Wow.
We're good, we're good. Hell yeah, you. Send it, bro. You're driving the 3000, man. Crazy.
Wait, that's it. I can't go anymore. Oh my god, dude.
So what happened there?
I tried going for a 2-1 downshift, and I must have jerked the wheel or stepped on the brake a little bit too hard and locked it up.
Another one?
Another one.
Another one.
It looks sick though, huh?
Ew, you guys were like sliding side with water coming out. I was like, oh man, these guys are sending it.
You're supposed to stay on the track, right?
Alright guys, so just quick little video with the track and the 3000 GTs, and you guys let me know if you guys track your 3000 GT. I rarely see anyone do it to begin with, so it's really cool to actually see these cars perform out here. Unfortunately, the track isn't in our favor today, and you know, mishaps could happen, but either way, I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. I appreciate you guys watching. Any questions, concerns, etc., leave them in the comment section below, and I thank you guys for watching.